Amazing reptiles, the cold-blooded wonders of nature. Part 2. Reptiles are cold-blooded vertebrates that include snakes, lizards, turtles, and crocodiles. They have scaly skin that protects them from water loss and live in diverse habitats ranging from deserts to oceans. As ancient survivors from the age of dinosaurs, reptiles play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. 26. Indian Cobra. The Indian cobra is a venomous snake revered in Indian mythology. Its hood display is one of nature's most iconic defensive postures. 27. Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon of Indonesia is the world's largest living lizard. It's a powerful predator with a venomous bite. 28. Leatherback sea turtle. The leatherback is the largest sea turtle, known for its flexible, leathery shell. It migrates thousands of miles across oceans. 29. Leopard gecko. Leopard geckos are nocturnal lizards native to South Asia. Their spotted skin and calm temperament make them ideal pets. 30. Lizard. Lizards are diverse reptiles that regulate ecosystems by controlling insect populations. They vary widely in size, color, and habitat. 31. Matamata turtle. The Matamata turtle, found in South America, has a bizarre, leaf-like head and neck that help it camouflage in muddy waters. 32. Monitor lizard. Monitor lizards are intelligent, large reptiles found in Africa, Asia, and Australia. They are agile hunters and strong swimmers. 33. Mud turtle. Mud turtles are small freshwater turtles found in the Americas. They prefer slow-moving waters and can burrow into mud during dry seasons. 34. Olive ridley turtle. The small sea turtle is known for its mass nesting called aribada. It's found in tropical oceans and is a conservation priority. 35. Ornate Euromastix. The ornate Euromastix, or spiny-tailed lizard, lives in rocky deserts of North Africa and the Middle East. It feeds mainly on plants. 36. Pichuophis. This genus includes large, non-venomous snakes like gopher and pine snakes. They help control rodent populations in North America. 37. Pond turtle. Pond turtles are freshwater species found worldwide. They spend time both in water and basking on logs or rocks. 38. Python. Pythons are giant constrictor snakes native to Africa, Asia, and Australia. They kill prey by coiling and suffocating rather than using venom. 39. Rattlesnake. Rattlesnakes are venomous snakes of the Americas known for their warning rattle. They use their venom mainly for hunting rodents. 40. River turtle. River turtles inhabit freshwater rivers and lakes. They play vital roles in aquatic ecosystems by maintaining balance through feeding habits. 41. Saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile, found in Indo-Pacific regions. It's a fearsome predator capable of attacking large animals. 42. Sand lizard. The sand lizard, native to Europe, lives in sandy heaths and dunes. Males develop bright green coloring during the breeding season. 43. Sea turtle. Sea turtles are ancient marine reptiles that migrate long distances. They are vital to ocean ecosystems, especially in maintaining seagrass beds. 44. Skink. Skinks are small, shiny lizards with smooth scales and short legs. They are found worldwide and often live in gardens and forests. 45. Slow worm. The slow worm is a legless lizard native to Europe. It resembles a snake but is harmless and beneficial to gardens. 46. Softshell turtle. Softshell turtles have flat, leathery shells that make them fast swimmers. They are found in rivers and lakes across Asia and America. 47. Taipan. The taipan is one of the world's most venomous snakes, native to Australia. Despite its deadly bite, it's reclusive and rarely seen. 48. Tiger snake, found in southern Australia. The tiger snake is named for its banded body. Its venom is potent, but it avoids humans when possible. 49. Tortoise. Tortoises are land-dwelling reptiles with dome-shaped shells. They are herbivores and can live for over 100 years. 50. Tokay gecko. The tokay gecko is a large, colorful lizard from Southeast Asia, known for its loud calls and strong bite. 51. Thorny devil. The thorny devil is an Australian desert lizard covered in sharp spikes. It feeds mainly on ants and collects water through its skin. 52. Viper. Vipers are venomous snakes with long fangs and triangular heads. Found worldwide, they deliver quick, precise strikes to subdue prey. I am glad to share this experience with you, and I hope it inspires you too. Our educational videos make learning simple and interesting. With useful lessons and good ideas, they help you grow every day. Thank you for watching. For more good videos, please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.